Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
With robots springing back for the autonomous period, artifacts already going up now on both sides of the field, bringing up both alliances' scores. Red Alliance, you'll see them kind of dancing around each other, making sure they don't run into each other's autonomous routes. On that Red Alliance, FE203 staying in close with the orange details. Their alliance partners, Brown Coat, staying out in the far field, allowing them to score without impeding each other's movement. High Voltage Couch Bananas continuing to fire up into that goal as well, bringing up the Blue Alliance score. The Red retains the lead as Autonomous ends.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Red Alliance now leads 61-40 in this match. All four teams now working to bring in their scoring. Red trying to retain their lead with these shots coming in, though Blue now trying to take it back and clearing their gate to make sure that their scores come in for maximum value. Now building those scores is Random from the Blue Alliance, as is High Voltage Couch Bananas. Both those robots working quickly to bring in the Blue Alliance score, though Red is still retaining that lead. Take a look, for example, over at their Alliance member, FE203, shooting from deep. That's 21-865. They've got the black and orange on their robot. Moving back to that far launch zone, sending two artifacts high up in the air. But they are competing for space in that far launch zone with 22-331 Random. Seems like they've got a good rhythm together, though FE203 trying to bump Random away, trying to possibly send some shots off course. So far, that far away launch zone remaining valuable. High Voltage Couchman is coming in to clear out the Blue Alliance ramp, as you can see right there. Now Artifacts fully able to classify down into the ramp, getting them at least 3 points, if not 5 if they match the motif. Like, for example, the purple Artifacts you see coming in right now. Each of those are 5 points. 45 seconds left to go, 120-75 for the Red Alliance. 37 Artifacts on the board so far to the Blue Alliance's 23. As Artifacts keep on flying in, both Blue Alliance members were firing there. Now a double Red volley comes in as well. Looks like generally symmetric strategies here, with both alliances doing roughly the same one close, one far shooter strategy. Interesting to see how that's playing out, as Red does retain the lead as we hit the end game period. Artifacts appear to still be the name of the game as our robots fly around, but here comes our first shot at a park from 7842 Brown Coats of the Red Alliance, trying to get lined up. If they can get their wheels all the way inside of that base zone you can see down there with the red tape marks, they can get 10 points.
Winner, Red Alliance, with a score of 233 points.